Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity blooms from the simplest materials and every piece of wood carries a meaningful story. Today, we are exploring a theme close to the heart of many modern homeowners, eco-chic creations, a celebration of trendy repurposed wood furniture and decor ideas that bring character, sustainability, and a touch of soulful charm into the spaces where we live. In a world where the push toward fast decor and mass-produced furniture continues to rise, there's something incredibly refreshing about slowing down and choosing pieces that matter, pieces that once had another life, another purpose, and another setting, now reborn into something beautiful and unique. Whether you're someone who loves the warmth of rustic textures, the sleekness of contemporary design, or the cozy feel of nature-inspired decor, Repurposed wood offers endless possibilities to elevate your home in a meaningful, stylish, and environmentally responsible way. There's something almost poetic in repurposing wood. Every grain, knot, and subtle dent tells a journey. These imperfections make each piece one of a kind, carrying history and craftsmanship into your home. When you incorporate repurposed wood furniture, you're not just decorating, you're connecting with something that has lived, supported, existed, and now continues its purpose in a new form. And the beauty lies in how versatile repurposed wood can be. It can be shaped into minimal modern console tables, carved into boho wall decor panels, pieced into geometric shelves, or even turned into bold statement headboards. Its adaptability makes it the perfect material to merge eco-conscious living with contemporary home styling. One of the most popular ways people are embracing repurposed wood today is through rustic modern shelving. Floating shelves crafted from reclaimed boards bring raw beauty into even the most polished spaces. Whether mounted in the living room to display favorite books and decor accents, or used in the kitchen for storing utensils and ceramics, these shelves strike the perfect balance of style and utility. Their natural texture softens the sterile look of plain walls and introduces warmth instantly. You can leave them unfinished for a rugged earthy feel, or lightly sand and seal them for a clean, refined finish that still preserves organic character. Either way, they reflect thoughtful design grounded in sustainable choices. Repurposed wood also makes for stunning coffee tables. Vintage wooden doors, old barn beams, or discarded planks can be reassembled into a centerpiece that anchors your living room. Pair the wooden surface with sleek metal, or matte black hairpin legs to create a chic industrial modern vibe. Or perhaps you prefer a coastal, laid-back look. Whitewash the surface softly and pair it with natural fiber baskets, dried pampas grass, and warm-toned throws. In every case, the wood becomes a visual storytelling element, something that sparks conversation and reflects your personal taste. Before we continue deeper into our design inspirations, we'd love to have you as part of our community here at Kuki Decor. If you're enjoying this exploration of stylish, eco-friendly decor ideas, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell so you're always the first to discover new daily video inspiration. Your support truly helps us keep creating meaningful content for everyone who loves creativity, sustainability, and beautiful home styling. Now, another timeless transformation idea using repurposed wood is the accent wall. Adding a wood-paneled statement wall instantly brings warmth and texture to a room, making it more inviting and grounded. You don't need brand new wooden boards, old pallets, fencing boards, or scrap planks can be sanded and arranged to create artistic patterns. Whether applied behind the TV area, in a hallway, in the dining room, or even behind your bed for an eye-catching headboard wall, this small addition dramatically shifts the atmosphere of a room. A plain space suddenly becomes full of depth, personality, and emotional warmth. And because you're working with reclaimed materials, every piece has its own character. Some boards may be lighter, others darker, some more distressed, some smoother. Together, they form a tapestry of natural variation that can't be replicated in factory-made decor. Speaking of headboards, repurposed wood headboards offer one of the most stunning ways to bring nature into your bedroom. You can piece boards together horizontally for a farmhouse feel, or create vertical arrangements for a sleek contemporary look. Geometric patterning, like chevron, sunburst, or herringbone, adds an artistic edge. The wood's natural tones pair beautifully with earthy linens, woven blankets, and soft neutral palettes. Your bedroom becomes a soothing retreat, calming, grounded, and connected to nature. Another idea gaining popularity in modern homes is repurposed wood dining tables. Dining tables have always symbolized connection, conversation, and togetherness. Crafting one from reclaimed material adds emotional depth. Every meal becomes part of a new story layered atop an older one. Whether with chunky legs carved from tree trunks, a sleek minimalist slab, or a farmhouse-style trestle base, a repurposed wood table becomes the heart of your home. It's also incredibly durable. Wood that has already proven itself in time is often stronger and more stable than new lumber. Now, let's take a moment again to stay connected. If you're finding value, inspiration, or even just warm comfort from today's ideas, remember to like this video and subscribe to Kuki Decor. We share new decor inspiration daily, beautiful, sustainable, and heartfelt design ideas to make your home feel uniquely yours. We'd love to have you with us on this journey. Moving ahead, another charming decor addition is repurposed wood ladder decor. These ladders, often made from old beams or leftover planks, can be leaned against walls and used to display blankets, scarves, towels, or string lights. They introduce an easy, effortless decorative element that feels homey and functional. In bathrooms, small reclaimed wood ladders add spa-like warmth. In living spaces, they become a cozy invitation to soften your decor. And in bedrooms, they give a wonderfully rustic, yet gently modern feel. Repurposed wood wall art is another beautiful avenue of creative expression. From carved mandalas, leaf and floral relief designs, to abstract geometric shapes and layered panel art, wood art seamlessly blends craftsmanship and natural beauty. These pieces stand out because they are not just decorations, they are handmade, intentional, and meaningful. They connect the viewer back to nature in quiet, grounding ways. We can also look to smaller decor items, wooden candle stands, planter boxes, coasters, picture frames, and mirror surrounds, each one adding a gentle touch of natural warmth to a space. These pieces are excellent introductions for those beginning their eco-friendly decor journey. Even just a few thoughtfully selected wooden accessories can shift the tone of a room, making it calmer and cozier. And then there are repurposed wood benches, perfect for entryways, mudrooms, porches, or at the foot of the bed. Their sturdy simplicity makes them both practical and stylish. Pair one with a woven basket beneath it, some soft fabric cushions on top, and perhaps a potted plant beside it, and suddenly you have a welcoming vignette that speaks of comfort and hospitality. What makes all these ideas special isn't just the beauty of the final outcome. It's the philosophy behind them. Choosing repurposed wood means choosing sustainability over waste, character over uniformity, story over disposability. It's about bringing life into your living space, while honoring the world we live in. It's about acknowledging that materials deserve second chances, that beauty can come from transformation, reinvention, and mindful crafting. As we reach the close of our journey today, thank you for being here and sharing in the heart of what we do. Each piece of repurposed wood furniture or decor idea we've explored today holds its own soul, something humble, warm, and deeply human. These pieces remind us that design doesn't have to be expensive, perfect, or brand new to be meaningful. It simply needs to be thoughtful, intentional, and filled with care. If you haven't already, we warmly invite you to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more daily inspiration that celebrates creativity, sustainability, and beautiful home styling. We appreciate you, truly. Thank you for welcoming us into your home and heart today. Until next time, may your spaces be warm, inviting, and always inspired by nature's beauty.